Hey to everyone, it's me Case from it.next. In today's video I'd like to show you how you can sign out or log out your TikTok account from your phone. So without waste of time, let me start. At first, move down here and click on profile, as you can see. Okay, now tap on these three dot lines. Here move down and then click on settings and privacy. Okay, now this will come, scroll down or move down and then tap on logout. This logout option, click open. Okay, now here click on logout. At this page you can see save login info, click on not now. Okay, now here tap on logout, tap on not now. Boom. So now we have successfully logged out your TikTok account into your phone. So I hope this video helps you, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and even leave a comment.